Hey guys, today I'm going to be building a chaos cutting board, and what you're seeing here is strips of what we call drops in the woodworking industry. And pretty much what these are strips of wood that got cut off much larger pieces, and a woodworker with a much larger operation, he's not going to spend the time to mess with these things. So they just kind of sell them off to people that are going to be doing small projects, stuff like what I'm doing. And I kind of live off the back end of them. This guy in the local area here in Syracuse, he's like pretty much the master of doing cherry cabinets. If you have cherry cabinets in your house and they look really good, um, and you're from the Syracuse area, there's a pretty good chance that this guy did them. And I saw his listing on Facebook for all this stuff, and he's like, I can't do anything with this. It's like the Bill uh, Gates thing where he's like, if he bends down to pick up a dollar, he loses more money than if you just walk by kind of situation. Except with fancy lumber, the kind of lumber you're seeing here right now is mainly sapele, mahogany. Um, there's some gorgeous walnut in there, that big cubey looking one in the middle. And pretty much what I'm doing is I'm just gluing all these strips together. Look at this guy. This is sapele. This is the prettiest stuff I think I have right now. Absolutely gorgeous patterns. Look at that thing. Wild. And pretty much what I'm doing with these guys is I'm gluing them into these strips. And later I'll come back and I'll cut them up into smaller and smaller pieces. And I'll mix them in with blends of the same strips, the same setup, anyways, but with completely different pieces. And then I'll mix and blend those all together so you get these crazy end grain patterns. And nothing will be uniform. It'll all be different sizes. It'll be super, super pretty. But right now, all I'm doing is gluing them up, putting clamps on them. You know, if you can count how many clamps I have in this video, put your guess in the comment section. It's a big number. It's a lot of clamps. Like, one of the rules with woodworking is how many clamps do you need, and the answer is always more. And you're going to see that here. As like time goes on, you're like, man, he's got to be done. Nope, there's going to be more and more, always more clamps. Yeah, but like, one of the things I kind of want to stress with this video is, the idea of upcycling. That's kind of my big thing. And you have all these junk pieces that a lot of guys would have burned. They're not even really junk. They're just not useful to that person in that moment. And, the woodworking community is kind of cool in that everybody passes stuff along, and a guy with a smaller operation might like me can come in and make some stuff work. And I just want people to keep stuff like that in mind. You can always find a use for something. Use every part of the buffalo here. That's what I do, baby. Look at this. Look how many clamps that is. It is a dumb amount of clamps. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day. See you next time.